One of the things I liked the most about Tick Tock was how professional they were. They showed up on time, they were polite, pleasant to deal with, and that was from the salesperson all the way down to one of the crew members doing the install. Very professional from top to bottom. They showed up when they said, they did what they said. If you call them, they always returned your call. They always seemed to humor my questions, no matter how silly they may have seemed. The fact that more people are using renewable energy is great, and I'm happy to be a part of that.
Tick Tock Energy is a full-service energy solutions provider and top 500 solar contractor. Contact us to start generating your own clean energy from the sun and boost your energy independence today. Please visit our website and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great information. Thanks for watching.